Take one.
Roll camera.
Speed.
Marker.
Let me frame.
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
Action! Made whole, and she cried, oh, oh, Lord, oh, Lord.
Said if I could just touch the hem of his garment, you know I'll be made whole.
Cut!
We just did a 270-degree dolly around Travis as he sang a Sam Cooke song a cappella. So that was ambitious.
I'll even just grab it. All right. Yeah. Mike.
Yes, sir.
So this is my first ever shot I've ever done.
Oh.
And you're in it, so this is my first time. Can you believe we met like 3 weeks ago?
Talk to me, that's what I want. I want everything,
Alright, because I was side coaching a little bit, just because Phil.
No, I appreciate it.
It's just that like this is the first thing that we have of you.
Yeah.
Marker. Action.
The ability to talk with actors, paramount, and to be able to talk not just story, not just dialogue, but to, as director-actor, to be able to sit and talk about character and all of that stuff. It's not just a talent, but it's an art, and I think Justin's got that.
Also, you want to be in his next film too?
And I want to be in his next
Okay.
So a lot of people don't know this, but originally I was casted for every part in this movie.
Yeah?
Yep, and I talked to Justin about it, and he just really wanted to make it happen with CGI and all this crazy nonsense. But I said, you know what, I'd like to give a few other actors an opportunity to be part of it.
Take a picture, guys.
That's
how you make it, though.
Oh, and you got a few veins popping out.
It's got a few like here and here.
Great. Okay, this is gonna be kind of gross, but I really want it. Could you put like hardened blood on the bottom of his nose, like he had a bloody nose, like down here,
Cool.
and then possibly like crust on his
Don't put
lip.
the sour on the
crust, like lip crust. Can you do that? Like when you wake up.
Like where your lips are dry and cracking and crusty?
Yeah. So we'll do this, and when I say action, just grab me, right?
Yeah.
You pick me up, right?
That's what I was gonna do.
Right, and we'll just do that. Okay. And then I want you to, because we're just rehearsing, I want you to brace yourself here.
No, that's what I was
Okay.
gonna do.
I'm Craig Davino. I'm the fight coordinator on the set, and my entire job, essentially, more than choreographing violence, is to make sure that the violence happens in a safe way.
I want to cut from Mr. Murphy going out of frame to then we've changed one little thing.
Cool.
Okay, so basically we're going to start the frame empty, and then Mr. Murphy's going to come into frame here, back down, and then Todd's going to come here. The window's actually one of these, and you're going to be out of frame.
Great.
What are you doing, Todd? But one thing about to be happy, I don't know if you take today. What are you doing?
Everybody?
Let's practice that part one more time.
Okay. You want to practice one more time?
Yeah.
Okay.
One more time. No, how my dad?
He told me that he's going to walk very slowly. Yes, exactly like that, Evan. You're going to have to keep it straight.
How was your first scene?
really fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I like them both.
Them both?
What was your line? What was that one line you liked?
Remember to smile.
Marker. Set. Frame.
Action.
This one was my favorite one. It felt the best.
Yeah, it felt very like I knew it was happening. It's like you see here that you guys should be dating.
Mm-hmm.
Functional. Yeah. You were watching the tape.
Playback action?
Yeah, just showing it to. I promised them for their patience that I would let them see it.
We're lucky.
For grade card? No. So we're just not gonna do one?
It just looks so lit that last shot. The light is dropping from the match.
So we're left with 80 feet on there? I mean, he's got one more. Oh yeah, we're done now. He's got one more take. He needs it.
You want to do one more take?
What's that?
Or are we just going to waste that film if we don't do another
No,
take?
no.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jill Witternitz's picture wrapped on the Thank you guys for sticking it through with the sun. Meg, and this is Carly.
Hi, Meg.
Hi.
It's Travis.
Carly.
Hi.
Hi. How's it going?
Good.
You're playing my little sisters, huh? What you guys doing? Are you excited about filming?
Yes.
He's playing your big brother. You guys look alike. You guys could be brother and sister, right? He has darker hair.
You guys kind of look alike too.
I know. Isn't
that crazy?
What a coincidence.
Hey, while we're getting focused up, will you introduce her around?
Sure.
All right.
Is this not perfect?
It's pretty adorable. Yeah, we got a manufactured little family here. So, how did you originally hear about the part?
Let's see, it was a phone call from my agent, and he had heard about it from Julie in casting, and she had just used me on the Scorsese film that he's just finishing up, and she just thought I would be right for the part, and I read it and loved it.
It's gonna be a late day. Hey man, after this martini after this.
I
Can you
know.
believe it? I've never made it past a 5. Like,
Yeah.
The longest I've been on has been 6 days. You know, this is almost double that. You guys I haven't broken it to you these past 4 days. I'm just shooting them as backup B-roll. The script's really only 7 pages.
Ted totally has holes in it, you know.
Come on, dude, let's do it. I'm waiting.
Right away.
Travis, you good? Let's get to 1.
There goes crazy boy.
Okay.
Check the gate.
Yes, please. So we only have. Do you want to learn how to check a gate, Dad?
Oh, never mind.
Did you get it, Rebecca?
I love this song.
You show together or did you
Who
abandon
won?
me for
Oh, you
for me
little
telling the girl
nutsack.